Hello children, let's get started with warm greetings. Today we are going to learn about the animal sounds. இன்னைக்கு நாம animal sounds பார்க்க போறோம். Come, let's start it. First one, horse. A horse makes a knife sound. Knife. Knife. Second one, cow. A cow makes a moo sound. Moo. Third one, cat. A cat makes a meow sound. Meow. Next, sparrow. A sparrow makes a chirp chirp sound. Chirp chirp. Next, dog. A dog makes a bow wow sound. Bow wow. Bow wow. Okay students, once recall it. Horse makes a nice sound. Cat makes a meow sound. Dog makes a bow wow sound. Cow makes a moo sound. Sparrow makes a chirp chirp sound. Okay students, I hope you also understood well. Look at the given picture carefully and write one time. Thank you children. Thanks for watching.